In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Oculus app on Android. Let's dive right in and make sure you have the official app, now known as the Meta Horizon or Meta Quest app, safely on your device. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. This is your go-to source for secure and verified apps. By using the Google Play Store, you ensure that the app is legitimate and free from harmful software. This step is crucial for keeping your device safe. Once you're in the Google Play Store, head over to the search bar. Here, you'll want to type in either Meta Horizon or Meta Quest. These are the new names for the app formerly known as Oculus. Searching with these terms will lead you to the correct app. Remember, we want to make sure you find the right one. As you look through the search results, pay attention to the app published by Meta Platforms Inc. This is important because it confirms that you're downloading the official app. You definitely want to avoid any apps that might look similar but aren't from Meta Platforms Inc., as these could be unsafe. Now go ahead and tap on Install. This begins the download process. The app will then install automatically onto your device. You might need to wait a few moments depending on your internet speed. During this time, your phone is working to download and set up the app, bringing you one step closer to exploring virtual reality. After the installation completes, open the app. This is where the real excitement begins. You'll be greeted by the app's welcome screen, ready to guide you into the world of Meta. Next up, you need to sign in with your Meta account. This is essential as it allows you access to all of Meta's features and services. If you don't have an account yet, the app will guide you through creating one. It's a straightforward process, and once you're signed in, you'll have everything set up. Remember, the old name Oculus app has been replaced. It's now called the Meta Horizon or Meta Quest app. This rebranding is part of Meta's broader strategy to unify its virtual reality offerings. A crucial tip here, always download your apps from the Google Play Store. This is important because it ensures you're getting the official app free from fake or unsafe APKs. By sticking to this method, you protect your device and personal data from potential threats. With that ready, you're all set to explore the immersive world of Meta on your Android device. You've successfully downloaded and opened the app and signed in with your Meta account. Great job on following through these steps. Now you can begin experiencing everything that Meta has to offer. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and clear. Enjoy your journey into virtual reality with the Meta Horizon or Meta Quest app.